Hey guys, welcome back to the Hardcore Fab channel. Today's video, I have got something a little different for you guys. This old truck here, I just picked up not too awful long ago, but it is going to find a new home today, or at least the cab is anyways. We've got Cory Wheat from Cory Wheat Customs here on YouTube. Go check him out if you guys aren't familiar with him yet. He is coming to get the cab, and I just got it unloaded off my trailer over here so I could pull the cab off for him. And I had Old Crow out, and I was sitting here looking at that and looking at how much different they are. And I thought it'd be really cool to give you guys a walk around of what Old Crow would have looked like originally when it was all together versus what it looks like now. So I'll flip the camera around, give you guys a quick view of that real quick, and then we're gonna get busy and pull this cab apart. So before we go any further here with the video, I want to take a second here to kind of give you guys a backstory on the rest of the video, and also take a second to introduce you to Cory and Hanna Wheat. They are the ones that are going to be in this video throughout the rest of the video with me, and I want to talk about how cool they are. They're new friends of mine, and just met them here recently on the internet and everything, but extremely like-minded and same passions and, you know, all that kind of stuff. So it's really cool to meet some people that, you know, have kind of that same mindset going on. So I think that a lot of you are going to really enjoy the content that they make as well. So if you guys haven't yet, go over and check out Cory Wheat Customs, like I said earlier in the video. But I didn't know really where all this stuff was going with the clips that I've got here. So the stuff that I have is kind of a jumbled up mess of stuff, but I'll give you guys some of the clips that I did get while they were here. I wasn't really even thinking about it. I should have done a little bit of an interview with them while they were here. I did not. So we're going to have to meet up with them again and do that in the future. Hopefully we'll be able to meet up with them and show you guys some of their cool trucks and stuff that they've built. I guess I can throw you a couple pictures up right now of some of their stuff. So they got some really cool stuff. This truck is Hanna's truck, and it's a 59 Viking. Pretty sweet truck. It's been all over the internet. It's really kind of blown up lately, so you guys probably have already seen this before. Cory has also got a pretty cool farm truck that was actually his grandpa's. That's pretty awesome that he was able to literally pull his grandpa's truck out of a field and put it back on the road and be cruising it every day. So why are they here in Kansas? Well, here a while back on the internet, Cory had put a post that he was looking for a Ford cab. So I reached out to him, told him that I had a Ford cab that I would probably go ahead and let go at a decent price. And we went back and forth on that a little bit. And then I told him just jokingly, I said, bring your wedge trailer and I'll load you up with all kinds of fun junk one way or another. And he actually did that. He pulled in with not only his 50-foot wedge trailer, but also a whole nother truck and a flatbed trailer as well. So he came to get some junk from Kansas, and that he did. We loaded him up with a bunch of cool old rusty stuff that I'm sure is going to make some awesome content over on his channel.
The bed is amazing.
How'd you? I won't have to. I can cut this out. If you tell us how to do it, I won't tell everyone, because I know sometimes people don't want people to know how you paint this stuff.
It's all on YouTube. Watch me do it.
Okay.
Huh?
I'll just watch you do it.
Painted all that like YouTube. Do all this.
Yeah.
You guys are talented. Is this real patina, or did you guys?
No, everything on the sheet metal is all real. So yeah, we haven't touched anything that's on the 46 Chevy part. So.
And the inside, did you guys do that?
The inside, yeah, we had to do all of that because this thing originally had mouse poop up to the dash when we pulled it out of here, and it was nasty. So
yeah.
And then having everything chopped and slammed to the ground so much, the transmission's way up into there and all that stuff, so I had to cut out a good portion of the floor and the firewall and everything, and a tunnel to go through the middle of the cab. And that's a lot of sheet metal work in there that was then all new.
was fun.
Put your brake on.
Okay.
Doors are gangster.
You liking that one?
Blue one.
Take the blue one.
Right there. Good enough trailer for that. Turn around. Turn around.
The Geo?
Yeah.
Do these all get, were they damaged anyways, or did they come in damaged?
Most of them ran still when we brought them in.
So we can drive them home.
Yeah.
We don't need a trailer.
Yeah,
That box there is
when
perfect.
they came in.
You're in and
Julian Michaels needs a junkyard workout. I gotta work anything. You said the e-brake. Yeah, I did. No, I didn't put it in a gear.
What's that first step to do?